Hi everyone, I've just come to share with you a journal that I've made today, and this is, do you know what, I haven't even written down any measurements or anything, but it's a soft cover. It's got 100 pages front and back, and it's quite full with ephemera. It measures 8 1/8 by 5.5, and I've used this cardstock, and it's sewn onto some white cardstock so it's nice and thick. Done some layering here. Used this image, put some bling here, the word journal, and a butterfly with a little piece of bling in there. This will be listed in my shop if you're interested, and that will be linked below. So let's go inside. Just make sure I'm in frame. I am. Okay, so the main pages are from Nick the Booksmith, and I can't remember the name of it now. I think it's something like a lady's journal, a lady's desk or something like that. So I've used that. It's very pretty, and it's kind of grungy as well. And here I've just made a cardstock corner pocket or tuck. It's got some crocheted trim. I've got a little cluster here, and I've done some stenciling, some large tags which I didn't coffee dye, some ephemera from Tsunami Rose. We have a butterfly tag from Artie Mays, and then a stamped tag. They've all been coffee stained. I've got a doily, some edge punching, paper bag, some Edith Holden, and this is from the old design shop. And here we have, again, this is from the old design shop, and another butterfly tag. They've been sewn onto teal coffee dyed paper. Got some lined paper here, and some of, not all of the, like the plain pages, they've been double coffee dyed just to give it a darker colour. Actually, I'd tea dyed them and they were a bit light, so I just brushed some coffee water on them and then just dried them. This is again from Nick the Booksmith. Here I made, this is a 1, 2, 3 triple pocket using envelopes, and I just decorated the envelopes with some music paper and then just some scrap pieces, and then a little image there. And that goes in there, and that one goes in there, and then tucked in the side here just got a piece of ephemera. Oh, and there's a large tag. I feel like I'm going off frame, but I'm not. Another doily, some more edge punching, some Edith Holden. This is some printable ledger, as is this. Some more from the old design shop, and then here we just have some ephemera from Tsunami Rose. Another page from Nick the Booksmith. Here I've just made another cardstock pocket. Just used some scraps here, a little bit of lace trim. This is a piece of ephemera from Tsunami Rose. And then inside here we've got a large tag, some ephemera, a little booklet. This is inspired, well, yeah, it is inspired by Climmies Creations, and she's linked down below. And a stamped coffee dyed tag. Another doily, some edge punching, another paper bag. Some more Edith Holden, some more from the old design shop, and here we just have a little notebook. It's got a sari silk ball on there, and this is from the old design shop. Oops, put that in wrong, so that pops on there. Some squared paper, centre of the signature, and some more ephemera. Oops, upside down. And that's from Tsunami Rose. some more easy holding, the other side of the paper bag. Here I just made a pocket and I just folded the paper over and just put some music paper on there. And we have some more ephemera, just a little fold out that you can do some journaling on. And then a Tiffany & Co stamped tag. Here we just have some ephemera and a tag from Artie Mays. A little corner pocket there with just this little image there, large tag, and we've just got some crocheted trim down here, a tag from Artie Mays, and another one of these little notebook things from, well, oops, made a right mess there, inspired by Climmies, and that just pops in the back of that. A stamped tag and a piece of ephemera from Tsunami Rose. Here we have another little notebook and some ephemera from the old design shop. And that's just like that with a sari bowl. Paper bag, edge punching, doily. This is just a music sheet paper, and I just made a pocket out of that. Just done some layering here, this image, some lace trim, and in the pocket you have, whoops, the large, oh, 2 large tags in there. I knew that one went missing, I didn't realise it was stuck together because I made a bunch of them. But what I'll do, I will stick that in the back, so you've got 2 tags there and 2 pieces of ephemera, and that is the back. So that is the journal. It's kind of nice and chunky, but with lots of writing room. Like I said, this will be linked in my shop if you're interested. That will be below, and there's a long list of people below that you can go and check out their channels or their Etsy stores. If you have any questions, then just ask, and I will speak to you all soon. Bye.